Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and I have Ian here with me, and we're going to go over some drills that you can do for children's martial arts. Now, what we're going to work on in this video is the bow stance, and especially for Choi Lei Fut, and this is where you keep your heel down on the ground. So, if you have square pads, this is a really good drill for these. You don't need two, but I'm going to hold two just because it's a lot easier and faster this way. First thing I'm going to have him do is a Sei Ping Ma position. And then we're going to focus on turning Ding Ji Ma, okay? So go ahead and turn that way, Ding Ji Ma. Good. Now as he does this, he kicks his back heel out as he straightens his legs and turns the shoulders. And what we're going to put a little bit of emphasis on turning the back heel out and keeping it down on the ground. So go back to Sei Ping Ma. By doing, what I'm going to do here is place the pad next to his foot. And then what he'll do is as he turns Ding Ji Ma away from me, go, he moves the pad. Okay? So again, Sei Ping Ma. And again, Ding Ji Ma. Good. And again, Sei Ping Ma. So here we have an equivalent. When we see when the heel stays down and you turn and you kick it out, you can actually move the pad. Alright, again, Ding Ji Ma. Good. And one more time, Ding Ji Ma. Good. Last one. Ready? Ding Ji Ma. That's it. And we'll work on both sides. Now, this gets good extension in the leg, but we also need to work on turning the waist all the way. So what we do for this one is, go ahead and turn towards me, Sei Ping Ma. We're going to hold the pad out, just right here, flat in front of the body, and he's going to turn and hit the pad with his elbow. Turn, Ding Ji Ma. Good. Now, you don't want to give too much resistance on this one. It's not like you want to slap back for this. You're just going to give a little bit of resistance so they feel that they're actually hitting something, but you also need to allow some movement. Once he's here, I'm going to bring the other hand over, turn Ding Ji Ma. Or if I only have one, I'll just turn my hand over here. Good. And again, go. Good. Again. Good. Turn that way. That's it. Go. 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 Good. All right. So nice, simple way to work on our Ding Ji Ma. Go ahead and relax. And developing, kicking that leg out, that helps for the waist rotation, and then really emphasizing waist rotation. If they can turn and bring this elbow forward, they can do it with a strike as well. All right. So for Ian and myself, Sifu Cuddle, keep training. We'll see you guys next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bam! Fist with a forearm.